In the evolving world of design and craftsmanship, few materials carry the depth of emotion, texture, and story that old wood does. Reclaimed or aged wood has long been considered a material of memory, bearing the marks of time, the whispers of weather, and the character born from years of use. Yet in the hands of modern makers, it transcends nostalgia to become a medium of transformation. It proves that sustainability and sophistication are not opposing forces, but rather two sides of the same creative coin. Today's generation of woodworkers and homeowners alike are rediscovering that the beauty of old wood lies not only in its surface appeal, but in its authenticity, the way it tells a story while also giving birth to something entirely new. This connection between the past and present makes old wood a bridge between heritage and innovation, function and emotion, art and livelihood. Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome back to another inspiring content of decor ideas. Get ready for an exciting woodworking and decor project that will transform your space. Today, we will explore the powerful transformation of old wood into modern, timeless, and sustainable art masterpiece of woodcrafts and decor. Transforming reclaimed timber. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. Old wood has a distinct ability to blend seamlessly into modern aesthetics while enhancing the warmth and human touch that mass-produced materials lack. When paired with minimalist lines, glass, or metal, reclaimed wood introduces a visual and tactile balance that makes spaces feel alive. Its irregularities, cracks, nail holes, weathered patina serve as reminders that perfection is not the goal. Instead, it's about creating harmony between the rough and the refined, between the natural and the engineered. Designers and craftspeople increasingly value these qualities because they inject personality into spaces that might otherwise feel cold or impersonal. The imperfections of old wood aren't flaws. They are proof of life, turning ordinary decor into something soulful and irreplaceable. Sustainability is another reason why reclaimed wood has become a modern symbol of responsible artistry. In an era where mass consumption and waste dominate, the act of giving old wood new purpose becomes an act of resistance, a mindful gesture that aligns craftsmanship with environmental stewardship. Each plank saved from a demolished barn, each beam rescued from an old home, represents a resource reclaimed and a story preserved. Wood that might otherwise have been discarded instead becomes a canvas for creativity, reminding us that renewal often begins with reimagination. Beyond its ecological benefits, this approach has an economic dimension as well. Reclaimed wood projects are both affordable and profitable. They reduce material costs while increasing perceived value because customers see the unique beauty and sustainability behind each handmade piece. This blend of environmental and financial sense makes reclaimed wood an essential player in the modern woodworking landscape. For the woodworker, working with old wood is more than a craft, it's a meditative experience. The process demands patience, respect, and intuition. Unlike fresh lumber, reclaimed wood requires care to uncover its hidden beauty, sanding away layers of age to reveal the patterns beneath, working around old nails and knots that hint at the material's past life. This hands-on process fosters mindfulness, inviting the maker to slow down and connect deeply with the work at hand. In a world obsessed with speed and efficiency, woodworking with old wood feels like a quiet rebellion, a return to craftsmanship that values presence and process as much as the final product. Each project becomes a reflection of the maker's attention and respect for nature's rhythm, a reminder that true art is not rushed but revealed. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's video? If you love decor and crafting, we post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. In terms of aesthetics, old wood's versatility is unmatched. It has the rare power to adapt to almost any design language, from rustic farmhouses to sleek urban lofts. while maintaining its own identity. A reclaimed wood dining table, for instance, can anchor a minimalist space with warmth and history, while salvaged timber wall panels can transform sterile interiors into cozy, welcoming sanctuaries. Even small decorative items, frames, shelves, or lamp bases, crafted from old wood radiate authenticity. This timeless adaptability ensures that old wood never goes out of style. Instead, it continues to evolve with changing trends while preserving the values of craftsmanship and sustainability. But beyond its aesthetic and environmental impact, old wood holds emotional resonance. It's the rare material that connects human stories across generations. When someone purchases or builds furniture from reclaimed wood, they are not simply acquiring an object, they are inheriting history. They are holding a piece of a once living tree, shaped by time, weather, and human hands. This sense of continuity, of transforming something aged and forgotten into something cherished and useful, carries profound emotional value. It speaks to our universal desire to find meaning in what we make and own. For the woodworker, this transformation mirrors a personal journey. Just as the wood is restored and given new life, so too is the maker rejuvenated by the act of creation. The financial potential of reclaimed wood projects further underscores their significance. Modern consumers increasingly seek authenticity over mass production. They want furniture and decor that feels personal, purposeful, and environmentally responsible. Handcrafted pieces made from old wood check all those boxes and command higher prices in the market precisely because they offer something unique. The demand for sustainable design continues to rise globally, meaning that woodworking rooted in reclaimed materials is not just an art form, it's a smart business model. Makers who understand the intersection of aesthetics, sustainability, and storytelling are finding loyal customers who value their creations not as products, but as investments in craftsmanship and conscience. Moreover, the act of reclaiming wood encourages collaboration between art and innovation. New techniques, such as hybrid joinery and digital design integration, allow woodworkers to merge tradition with technology without losing the soul of their work. Old wood may carry the marks of time, but when paired with modern tools and creativity, it becomes part of a forward-thinking design revolution. This blend of old and new mirrors the very heart of sustainable progress, honoring where we've been while crafting where we're going. It also reinforces the truth that beauty and responsibility can coexist, and that the craftsman of the future is one who creates not just for profit, but for purpose. Working with old wood is not just about making things, it's about making meaning. Each board tells a story, each cut carries intention, and each finished piece becomes a legacy. The process invites reflection, not only on the materials we use, but on the values we live by. In transforming discarded timber into stunning, modern decor, we participate in a cycle of renewal that echoes nature itself. We take what was once forgotten and give it a future. We remind ourselves that sustainability isn't a limitation but an invitation to design better, live better, and build with awareness. Thus, the journey of crafting with old wood is ultimately one of transformation, of material, of space, and of spirit. It embodies the belief that when we work in harmony with nature, we don't just create furniture, we create heritage. Every reclaimed beam or plank turned into art becomes a silent declaration that craftsmanship, sustainability, and beauty can coexist and thrive. In every joint and surface, we see not only the grain of wood but the grain of human creativity, resilient, resourceful, and endlessly inspired. Old wood, in this sense, is more than a material. It's a philosophy, one that reminds us that the most meaningful creations are those born from respect, intention, and the quiet desire to leave something enduring behind. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked modern, timeless, and sustainable art masterpiece of woodcrafts and decor. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.